Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. On my reflection this morning, I'll be talking on reach for more. Reach for more. There is a quotation ascribed to Bernard Shaw which says, walk away from the 97% crowd. Refuse to use their excuses. Take charge of your own life and live. Reach for more. When things go wrong from you, do you take the hit or you simply shift the blame? Real men take the hit while the lily-livered, chicken-hearted, and the painless trade in buck passing. 99% of failures come from people who have a talent of making excuses. When you make a mistake and you own up to it, you are immediately handed a wonderful opportunity to learn from it and become better. But if you take to denying your errors and defending your person, you will get worse and become bitter. When a winner makes a mistake, he says, I was wrong. When a loser makes a mistake, he says, it wasn't my fault. I'll recapitulate. When a winner makes a mistake, he says, I was wrong. But when a loser makes a mistake, he says, it wasn't my fault. Excuses are the tools a person with no vision uses to build a monument of nothingness. Instead of looking for one reason why the job must be done, he is busy piling up 10 reasons why it cannot be done. Hello, friends. Reasons do not count, results do. Moreover, you are never a failure until you begin to blame somebody or something else for your responsibility. When you face challenges, summon up your courage and tackle them. Do not nitpick or bug pass. Choose to be a real man and woman that you are called to be. The person who excuses himself always accuses himself. The best years of your life are the ones in which you decided your problems are your own. You don't blame them on your parents, the government, the company, or the weather. This way, you take full charge of your own life. Excuses always replace progress. I leave you with this word today. You should reach for more. You can touch the sky. You can touch the stars. And there are a lot of stars in the galaxies. We have numerous. So from one to a bigger to a brighter one. So reach for more. Thank you. I wish you a wonderful and a beautiful day. And don't forget, if you are not yet to subscribe, click on that button by your right, that bell by your right hand side. Subscribe to always get notification whenever any video, any broadcast is being posted and uploaded. Thank you. Bye for now.